Attention small business owners. Do you work endless hours? Are you struggling to find and keep good staff? Do you work extremely hard but can't pay yourself well? Well, you are not alone. Many other business owners have similar problems. I struggled with this myself for many years, but managed to break through by learning from the best minds and applying their simple but amazingly effective techniques. These solutions are not theoretical. They have been tried and tested for many times, and they have taken me from being a migrant with no experience and no money to having a large business with 150 employees and constant monthly sales of 1.25 million. Hi, my name is Sam Abraham. I'm a business coach of the Alternative Board. I work with progressive business owners, bringing them together to form boards of like-minded people. The objective is to share learning and help each other to grow our businesses by capitalizing on the collective wisdom of the group. My role is to bring business owners together, facilitate the meetings, and help business owners to achieve their personal and business visions and goals. So, would you be keen to improve your profits and cash flow? And would you like to have stable and predictable business that runs well while you are playing golf, for example? We have an exciting 2-hour workshop coming on Wednesday, the 21st of September in Alexandra Park, Epsom. This to demonstrate how the Alternative Board works and to demonstrate the benefits that you can get, like achieving your personal and business short and long-term goals in a systematic and deliberate sure ways that worked well for thousands of business owners like you around the world by becoming members of the Alternative Board. Click on the link below this video to book your free tickets to this event. I also included other links for further information about the Alternative Board. If you cannot make it on the 21st, then it's okay. Just drop me an email to sam@thealternativeboard.co.nz and we can arrange to meet over coffee. Thank you, and looking forward to meeting you and hopefully work together to improve your business so you can enjoy the life that you deserve.